Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again at the gold market. We have the minimal changes compared to recent analysis. So at first glance on the daily chart you could see that the grabber has failed that we discussed recently, this candle, but in reality this is not quite so, because if you take a look at gold market on the comics, you could see that we've got actually the second grabber in a row. So these two candles are both bullish grabbers. Here, yes, if market will keep going lower, close below it, formally these grabbers will fail, but let's wait until the close of today's session. So if by some reason market will jump up close above the MACD predictor line, that could drastically change the situation. In general, by looking at the performance that we have on intraday charts, we could say that the bearish steam is housing. So the confidence of the bearish is decreasing, because, well, actually this is understandable, and we could understand investors with the spreading of the conflict in the Middle East, some uncertainty with the political situation inside the United States, new escalation spiral in the Eastern Europe. All this stuff actually makes investors to stay on guard, and recent comments from the Bank of America that said that they suggest that gold could rise to the 3,000. This is actually just add more fuel into the fire. So as a result, we should be extra careful with the positions, and here I think that we need to wait for absolutely clear pattern that we could use for possible trading. Particularly speaking, if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we do not have any new setups. Market is forming kind of widening consolidation, but action here is very choppy and slow, and this is the reason why I said that it seems that bears are losing the steam, this downward action. At the same time, grabbers also great stuff that we have currently on the daily chart, but at the same time I think that it would be better to get a bit more confidence if we decide to take the new long position. For speaking about the short position, if we'll talk about this engulfing pattern, as I said, here we should be extra careful with it, and it would be better to consider possible taking the position if you still would like to deal with it somewhere at the higher levels with this higher upward action. So currently at this point, well, personally I do not want to sell, especially with the valid grabber still on the back. So we need to get some clarity. That's why in today gold performance, I'm still will be watching for some clear patterns. For example, what we could get. Yesterday, as you can see, market was not able to complete ABCD pattern accurately, despite this upward action, which was relatively fast. It has turned down immediately. And here is the OP target that we have for this ABCD that we thought might be formed. Was not completed. This market just dropped down. Now with the grabbers that we have in place, and as I said, it will be really important where market will close today. Personally, I am still will be watching for some clear pattern. One of them might be hand shoulders pattern. If, for example, here we will get it in the nearest time, that might be really quite different tune. So this might be a really good background together with the grabbers. Considering taking the new long positions, probably market could reestablish upward action once again. If nothing of this kind of will be formed, market keep going lower, it means that we probably will get downside continuation, some back to the OP target and the area that we have specified around 2260, which is strong confidence support. So now the question, what will happen around this area? Maybe weaker than expected consumption expenditures numbers, gross domestic product revision, for example, to the downside. It really could significantly increase chances of the more dovish policy from the Fed, and correspondingly could support gold market as well. Together with the growing tensions in the geopolitical situation, it might make a positive impact on gold performance in the near term. So that's what I have in my mind currently concerning the gold. So I wouldn't hurry up with the position taken immediately. I prefer to not take not necessary risk. So currently, so we're actually ruling the overall situation. We're controlling the moments where we could take the position, whether it makes sense to take position, at what points we would like to it. And from that point of view, I think that in the current circumstances, the best way is a bit wait and see, watch for clear patterns.